Hi everybody, it's Tracy, and you get to see another video with my face. I'm going to share with you my spring cleaning bundle number 3 from Cricut. I've been waiting all day to open these because they came when I was at work. And so this one, I don't remember which one's which, but I bought all 4 of them. All 4 of the spring cleaning bundles because why not, right? No, you don't see me cutting cords myself because you're not supposed to do that. So this is number 3, and we got some paper, more paper, and so the first thing is a accessory kit. This one doesn't have the accessories in it, but it is for your accessories, your tools, which I already have some. I think one of the other ones has tools in it as well. And I'm going to save that for last because I know what that is. We have a glitter vinyl, gold glitter vinyl. I really need to learn how to use this because I've ruined a few sheets according to their settings. This is a 12 by 48 inch gold glitter vinyl. And some transfer paper. Just the regular strength. Yeah, regular strength. And then this one is the sampler pack. There's six 12 by 12 inch sheets of premium, no, just regular vinyl. The bright sampler. I don't know if you can see that. Those are the colors there. And then this one is 12 by 12 vinyl sheets. And this one's just called vinyl. It's just the sampler. So there's those. Doesn't show the different ones, but there's 12 of those. Oops. And this one is the metallic sampler. There's 6 12 by 12 sheets. There's that. There. Just regular vinyl, but they're metallics. And then there's a couple manila mailers in here. This one is the Love Sparkle and Shine Material Kit. It has a 12 by 12 24 crimson red, 2 glitter vinyls, a red foil 12 by 12, or no, 12 by 24, a pink matte at 12 by 48, adhesive foil, transfer tape, strong grip transfer tape, font, and digital images. So that's what's on the back of it, and I believe it's supposed to make something like that. I'm not really sure. Oh wait, it says fonts and images right down here on the bottom. So there's like the love and a heart and lipstick lettering. That must be what the love is. So there's a couple different shapes there. So it's stuck in there. It's not coming out. And then there's this, and it says, make something you love, faux leather material kit. And I'm excited about this because I have not done leather yet. It says there's 10 sheets, 2 colors, 5 each, 12 by 12. Faux leather pebble in beige and champagne. 10 sheets, 2 colors, 5 each, 12 by 12. Faux suede in black and camel. An exclusive Anna Griffin digital set. So that's what comes in there. It looks like it